Let's get back to the first one, step by step, how to set up the daily message. Okay, so now let's go back to UChat. And for example, first of all, you need to go to automations. You need to go to the content, notification topics. Okay, you can create, for example, I already create a daily offer. So this is a daily message. Okay, I already choose the frequency daily. Okay, you can just choose one time, daily, weekly, or monthly. So I already choose daily over here. And here is the opt-in, re-opt-in feature I just talked about. So if you keep it enabled, that means after the 6 months, after the opt-in expires, Facebook will send the opt-in again automatically for you. Okay. If you keep it disabled, then after 6 months, you will not able to send these messages. Okay, so you can keep it enabled. After that, you will see there is 2 conditions over here. So basically, this is if the user clicked manage the notification. If they stop the notification, it will trigger a flow. Okay, if they resume a notification, it will trigger another flow. So that is the part you need to set up. Okay, so let's first, after we create the notification topics, let's first go to the main flow, the daily flow. For example, this is a main flow. Okay, this will be a template. So if you are seeing this video, there should be a template somewhere in the description, or you can go to our official website, uchat.au, and there is a learning center. I will put the links and the course. Okay, so if you go to the recurring notifications daily, and this is a very simple flow. Okay, you just ask the user to click the button, and then they will able to receive the daily offers. Okay, and after that, you just click send the message, and you just select notification message. So you first need to send a request. Okay, remember the limits you are having. The limits you are having to send the user. Okay, I think it's 10 requests you can send, and for a 7 days period, and maximum 5 requests per user. Okay, per day. So let me share that limits again, because this is very important. So it's up to 10 opt-in requests over a 7 days period. It's up to 5 opt-in requests sent to a user a day. Okay, so because I have done a lot of tests, so sometimes I didn't see this message, is because I already reached the limits. So this is very important. You do not, you just be aware of the limits. Okay, if you doesn't see this request, that means you already hit the limits. So this is, I can just use a daily notification request. Okay, this is just for asked for the request. You need to select the topics, that daily topics we just created. Okay, and then you can add something and add the images and the offers. If the user clicked, they want to opt in, what I do over here is I add them a tag so that I know I can send them these daily deals, and I can use the recurring notifications to send them the offers. Okay, and then I will say another thing, thank you for confirmation. And then what I do is, as I said, we suggest to use sequence. So you can build a sequence. After the user subscribed to the daily recurring notifications, you can subscribe them to that sequence. Okay, so let me show you what the sequence I have built. Go to automations, go to sequence. You will see I already built a daily offer sequence. Okay, and then over here I'm sending every day. Okay, the first message is after 1 day. If you want to send the offer immediately for the first one, you can just make it, immediately. Okay, and then it will send. And I have separate flows for every day offer so that I can just add these messages. Okay, if you have 7 days offer, if you have 20 days offer, you can just add them over here. Okay, make sure that each sequence connect to the flows you want. Okay, so that is the first step. And the next step is, let me go to the daily offer. Okay, this is the first day offer. So what I do over here, so I think I should explain a little bit about the daily, let me see, the stop notification daily. Okay, so this flow will trigger if the user click to manage their notifications. Okay, so for example, let me show you an example. Okay, this is the message I just sent. Okay, if I click yes, and you can see I already confirmed opt-in. Okay, so as I said, that is a manage option for every recurring notifications. Okay, so your clients can manage their notifications every time you are sending one. So for example, if I click stop this message, what will happen is it will trigger the stop notification flow you have set up. For example, if I go back to the flow, this is the stop notification. As you can see, it's already triggered. Okay, and which flow it triggers is you need to go to the content, go to the daily offer, and here if you select the flow, for example, I select the flow is stop notification daily, and then when the user manage their notifications, if they want to stop, it will trigger this flow. So in that flow, what I did is really simple. I just ask them to confirm, okay, if they really want to opt out the message, or you can ask, the permission to send them through email. Okay, that is actually up to you. For me, I just want to keep it simple. If they want to opt out, I will simply remove the tag. Okay, because I'm going to use this tag as a condition to send offer every day. Okay, if they opt out, I will remove the tag, so they will not receive all the messages in the future. Okay, if they are just kidding, just playing around, I will still keep the same tag. So that is the stop notifications. Okay, I remove the tags, and it's the same thing if they resume the daily message. For example, if they click that, if they already stopped, okay, if they want to get back in, they click the manage, and then since they already stopped the notification, and then it will show them the option to resume the notification. Okay, it will send them to this flow, and in this flow I will simply add the tags back in. Okay, I will add this tag. So that is how you can set up the stop notifications and the resume notifications, so that you make sure that you comply, you get the user's permission, and it will not spamming the user. Okay, so after you set up the stop notification, resume notification, now let's take a look about the offer we are sending to the user every day. So this is day 1 offer. Basically day 2, day 3, day 4, that is the same concept. So first of all is I use the condition. Okay, I will check if the user have the tags or not. Okay, because if they stopped, I will remove this tag. If they resumed, I will add this tag back in. So this will make sure that I will send these recurring notifications to the user correctly. Okay, and then I use another condition. In this condition, I will just trying to see if the user have interact with the bot in the last 24 hours or not. Okay, if they already have, I have more flexibilities. I can just send them that message and then send them the offer. Okay, if they haven't engaged within last 24-hour window, because they have this tag, so we have the permission to send a message. As you can see, send the next message with the notification topic. You can just select the daily offer because they already opt in. Okay, and then this offer will deliver to them a message through these recurring notifications. Okay, this is very important. And I add something else over here is if they doesn't have this tag, that means we cannot reach them on Messenger. And then if they have the emails, you can send them the offers through emails. Okay, because email SMS do not have the 24 hours limits. So that is the first day offer. Basically, if you can duplicate this one and just change the offer content, and then you will have your day 2, day 3, day 4 content, and then you can just connect them in this daily offer sequence. Okay, so that's the full steps how you can set up the daily recurring message. Okay, and then